Alright, I gotta end this because the goal in these was to try to extract comedy that I could use on stage. And if I were really trying to do that, I could because it's possible. I just don't give a fuck. I'm into carpentry right now. So I'm into carpentry. Yeah. That's what's gonna save me now, just like the fucking freezer. That's what's gonna save me now. The freezer didn't quite save me. But now, cuz, I put my hope and faith and ambitions into shit that externally validates me and external expectations. That is why I fail and I know it, but carpentry will save me.